footworkers there.
Round one.
Really
Both boys going straight at it.
Bailey coming forward.
Banks Jim finishing with that kick. Nice hands, finished by the kick.
Really nice roundhouses there from Edjuice. Edjuice finding his distance there with his lead hand. Nice roundhouse.
Both replying nicely.
Bailey with a really good guard here. Answering back.
I think it's going to be hands versus legs.
Definitely. Edjuice here trying to get his distance as well for those roundhouse kicks.
Oh, little slip.
That shows how quick these fighters are moving.
Both boys came out really strong. Bailey on his toes, ready.
Really good action here from both fighters. You see the minute the bell went, they were straight out to the centre. Nice roundhouse there from Edjuice. Nice hands from Bailey.
Nice kick. You can see him getting that distance to get that kick to the body.
Those roundhouses are starting to have an effect in here. Bailey brave as ever, biting down that gum shield coming forward.
Bailey wants to get in nice and close on box. Needs to get those kicks in himself.
Nice hands there from Bailey. Edjuice back with the lovely roundhouses.
Another good round. Bailey good with his hands again.
Fighters back to the centre, here we go. That's it, Bailey knowing he needs to exchange here.
Bailey came right across the ring, but the boy answered with a kick.
Edjuice really using great footwork there, picking his shots and angling off. Yes, nice spinning back kick there.
Bailey pushing forward. Banks Jim throwing those kicks in perfectly on time.
Another spinning back kick here. You can see Edjuice's confidence building. Bailey tucking in. Can he answer back? Nice left hook there to answer.
See, he's getting that arm out to judge the distance. He's going to come in with a kick. Beautiful kick to the head.
Back kick to the head.
Followed by a roundhouse.
Great heart from young lads there.
These are giving it their all at JackHammer.
Beautiful kicks.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner by unanimous decision is in the blue corner, Madam.
Yeah, those kicks definitely were paying.
Definitely nice win there from Edjuice. Great heart by Bailey Carlin too. He'll be disappointed with that, but as I said, it's all experience when you're that age.
He got in there and he done his best.
100%.